ToolkitCMA is designed to help you quickly and easily build professionally branded presentations, both for buyers and sellers. ToolkitCMA also offers a large selection of property flyers. In this video, we will be building a listing presentation with marketing pages and CMA data. From the home screen, click Create a Presentation, then choose the presentation type you wish to create. You can see there are a lot of different choices to choose from. For this demonstration, I'm going to be creating a listing presentation. Select your documents and click Next. Type in your prospect information into the fields provided. You can click Use Last Prospect to autofill with a prospect that you typed the last presentation that you made. You can click Save Prospects to bring up a list of all the prospects that you've created presentations for. And through that history of prospects, you can choose from that list. Once completed, click Next. If a cover letter was included, you'll have the opportunity to make edits and then click Next. Now it's time to choose the MLS to get the property data. Your MLS will be listed here. The way the property data is imported will vary depending on your MLS. Instructions are provided, and our support is free if you need any assistance. I'm going to use the demo interface for this demonstration. Once the file is loaded, you will be directed to the Select Properties screen. Check off just the properties you wish to use as comparables. Any unchecked properties will not be used as comparables, but they are going to be available to be used as your subject property on another screen that we're going to encounter. Click Next to proceed. If multiple photos were imported, you will get a screen like this, in case you want to omit or reorder the pages. To exclude a photo, just click on it and it'll gray out. The grayed out images will be ignored and not included in the outputted PDF. If you want to rearrange them, you can just drag and drop the photo into a different placement. You can click to the next property and edit those photos as well, if you wish to. Or if you don't really want to omit any or reorder them, you can click the blue Continue with Presentation button to get out of the photo selection flow and move on with building your presentation. This screen is allowing me to select just my favorite fields for the summary page. The summary page will display all of the properties in a one-line format. You can click on Edit over here to make changes to the field selections. You can click the trash can icon to remove a field. You can click into the Add a Field drop-down box to choose a field that came in from your MLS. And you can use this little icon on the right-hand side, which is a drag handle, to change the position of the sequence of the fields. Once you're satisfied with your selections, click Next. Now I can either enter all the information about the subject property, or I can choose a downloaded property by clicking this green button. This gives a list of all the properties that came in from the MLS. The ones that are grayed out are the ones that I chose to use as my comparables, and the other ones are the properties that came in, but I didn't choose them, to be used as a comp. And I can pick any of these properties and use it as my subject. And I'll get a confirmation dialog where I do have to confirm that, yes, I do want to use it as my subject property. And then all the fields get filled in for me. If you included the price adjusted CMA, you will have the opportunity to make adjustments based on the various amenity differences between the comparables and the subject property. Like all documents, this page is optional, but if you include it and make adjustments, that will alter the recommended price range to make it more accurate. Continuing on, we get to the recommended price range, which was calculated based on the sold prices of the sold comparables and any adjustments that were made. The range is editable in case you want to change it. Now we've come to the pricing strategy page. You can edit this text as needed and even set it as the default for future presentations by using this button down here. As a matter of fact, you can set defaults on most of the pages so that future presentations are ready to go with your preset defaults. Next is the marketing plan of action, another editable page. This one discusses what you will do to market their home from week 1 until the property sells. Click Next, and now it's time to pull it all together. You can check to include the tablet if you want both the PDF and the interactive tablet version. If you want only the PDF, then leave that box unchecked. Click this blue Create Presentation button to pull the report together. When the system is finished processing, it will direct you to a summary of presentation and you'll be prompted to save. The PDF may auto-open for you, but if it doesn't, on the summary screen, there is a View PDF button that will open up that PDF for viewing and printing. My computer is set to allow pop-ups, so mine is going to auto-open. So again, when the system is finished processing, it directs you to the summary of presentation and you're prompted to save. Click the blue Save button to complete your save. And then on this screen, there are options to view the PDF if it didn't auto-open. You can view the interactive tablet version. You can share by email. You can also share your report by email and include a link to an online meeting. You can send your email by text message. There is also a save button and a shortcut to go back to the home screen. I'm going to go ahead and view the PDF, which is opened in this other window, so you can see the report that I created. From this view, I would be able to print it out using the print function that's in the PDF viewer. Or I could save a copy to my own storage device to keep it indefinitely. Presentation saved in ToolkitCMA saved for 180 days. You can always come back in and resave them to gain an additional 180 days. And in case you want to see what it looks like, I will click here to view the tablet. It has a navigation menu in the upper left-hand corner, so you can jump ahead or backward to different slides. Your logo will appear in the lower right-hand corner, and your agent photo will appear in the lower left. It does include an interactive map of comparable properties where you can change the view and even move the little person onto the map to see a street view of the property. Sometimes street view is not available. There we go. Click this arrow to go back. Every colored map marker represents a different colored status. For instance, red is recently sold. If you click on the map marker, it will show you which property on the right that you had clicked on, and vice versa. You can click forward to see some additional slides about the comparables. Clicking down, I see all the details about a page here that's dedicated to each comparable. In the menu, this slide is referred to as the comparable property slides. We can jump ahead to get to the columnar slide. The price range is adjustable. And they round out with your resume, your references, and a conclusion. So now you see how easy it is to build a presentation with ToolkitCMA. If you do have any questions, you can click in the support menu, and there's various ways to contact us. I hope you enjoyed ToolkitCMA and have a great day.